Hello friends, welcome to Tricks. Buddhism and Jainism are very important chapters for both UPSC, SSC as well as state PSC level exams. So in this video, we will learn some important facts related to Buddhist councils. First Buddhist council was held in 400 BC under the patronage of King Ajat presided by Mahakashyapa in Rajgiri in the Satapani cave. In this council, Pitakas were consolidated. Pitakas means basket. The two disciples of Buddha, Anand and Upali, helped in the consolidation of Sut Pitaka and Vinay Pitaka. Sut Pitaka contained the sayings of Buddha, while Vinay Pitaka contained the monastic codes and disciplines. The codes and disciplines which needed to be followed by the monks who lived in viharas. Second Buddhist council held in 383 BC and it was held to settle a dispute on Vinay Pitaka. What was the dispute? There was dispute on the codes of Vinay Pitaka, whether one should eat and go for asking alms or one should drink sour milk after meals or not. These kind of codes which were established, there was dispute on that. The two subgroups who had the dispute were Sthavirvadins and Mahasangikas. Sthavirvadins were those who followed the teaching of elders. They wanted strict codes, but Mahasangikas wanted some relaxation, some relaxed code. They did not want any reform which would further make the codes more strict. So there was a dispute between Sthavirvadins and Mahasangikas. Mahasangikas then later on became extinct after Third Buddhist Council. Second Buddhist Council was held in Vaishali under the patronage of King Kala Ashoka and presidency of Sabakami. However, this one I feel is disputed because in old NCRT there is mentioned Chulavanga as chairman. If you can verify it, please mention that in the comment and I will add an annotation here. Third Buddhist Council held in 250 BC in Patliputra under the patronage of King Ashoka, and in this Buddhist council the decision was taken to send missionaries to different countries and the president was Mogaliputta Tissa, and in this Buddhist council Abhidham Pitaka was formed and the two baskets became three baskets: Sut Pitaka, Vinay Pitaka and Abhidham Pitaka, and this contained Buddhist philosophies. Then the fourth Buddhist council held in 72 AD at Kundalwana in Kashmir under the patronage of Kushan king Kanishka. Chairman was Vasumitra with Ashwaghosa as his deputy, and this council divided the Buddhism into two sects, Mahayana and Hinayana. Mahayana means, Maha means higher vehicle, higher, and Yana means vehicle. The followers of Mahayana believed in heavenliness of Buddha. They wanted salvation through grace and help of Buddha and Bodhisattvas, and therefore idol worship was there. This kind of Buddhism became famous in northern regions to the regions of Central Asia, Southeast Asia. The next was Hinayana. Hina means lesser and Yana again means vehicle. So they believed in salvation through meditation. There was no idol worship and they believed in original teachings of Buddha. For them, salvation was to come through individual meditation. This kind of Buddhism became famous in southern India and the southern region. There was another sect called Vajrayana which believed in salvation through magical powers. This was all about fourth Buddhist council. Fifth Buddhist council held in 1871 in Mandalay, Burma, present times Myanmar, under the king Mindon, and in this Buddhist council recitation of all the Buddhist teachings were done to observe whether anything is altered or not, and it took almost 5 months to get completed. Sixth Buddhist council was called at Kaba Ai in Yangon, formerly Rangoon, in 1954 in Burma. The presidents were three elders Mahasi Sayadav, Bhadanta, and Vichitra Sarbhavimsa. It was to preserve the genuine Dhamma and Vinay Pitaka. So these were the 6 Buddhist councils about which we have to read for exam purposes. I have tried to make things simple for you so that during exams you can revise it in just 4 or 5 minutes. I will make a trick in the next video so that you will be able to remember the facts for multiple choice questions. Hope you like this video. Please subscribe to our channel and give a thumbs up if you like this video. Thanks for watching. Have a nice day.